Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Big Little Questions. Today's question is, why can't my device read a bigger SD card? SD cards are formatted in a particular fashion, and some devices can only read certain SD card formats. For example, the 0x Pulse drone can only read SD card formats using the FAT32 file system. This FAT32 file system allows the drone's operating system to read SDHC formatted SD cards between 2GB and 32GB in size. Why would a device favour the use of a FAT32 file system over an exFat file system? The answer is patents. It costs more money to use the exFat file system. If a device's maker can save money by using the older file system, they will. The good news: some premium devices will allow you to select which format you wish to use. For example, GoPro cameras will allow you to select which format you wish to use depending on your SD card size. This formatting process will then format your SD card to suit. The format you choose depends on the size of the SD card you are using. For example, if you are using a 32GB or smaller card, then format it to FAT32. If you are using a 64GB card or above, select the exFat format. This will format the SD card so it can utilize the appropriate file system, making it possible for your GoPro camera to read and write to the SD card you have chosen to use. So in short, your device will only read from and write to certain SD card formats depending on the file allocation table it uses.